Hey, so I'm back with another tutorial. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, because today we are not doing a wig, okay? So this is a video that everyone can do as long as you got some hair, a flat iron, and some weave. You good, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten my real hair, because honestly, if I put my hair in a ponytail, it is natural state or not fully straightened. It's so hard for me to work with. So if you can go ahead and work without your hair being flat iron, go right ahead, shorty. But for me, I flat iron the roots and the hair also. So this is how it looks once it's all flat ironed. I didn't do it silky straight, but I did it straight enough to the point where it will lay flat. Now I'm going in with my lovely Beads Edge Control, which is amazing, guys. I use it in all my videos if you guys have been keeping up with me. And I'm going to go ahead and just slick this all over my hair, like literally all over my hair. And I'm going to use a hard brush or a soft brush, but I'm going to call it a hard brush. And just kind of like just start making my hair look nice and sleek. So today in this video, I am using hair from Alipearl. You guys know I love this hair. I did a video where I used their curly hair and it was amazing. So I'm using the straight hair today. I'm only going to be using 2 bundles. I'm using inches 28 and 26, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and show you that towards the end of the video. But right now, you see me trying to just sculpt my hair into this nice swoopy look, you know, nothing too major, nothing too extreme. Just kind of make it look nice and neat as we putting it in the ponytail. So now I'm going to go ahead and use a rubber band. Guys, don't kill me. You can use a scrunchie, whatever, up to you. I think I used this because it was the closest thing to me. Looking like little Shaquana. Oh, sorry. Hopefully nobody's name is Shaquana. So I went ahead and I put this in the tiniest bun that I could possibly put it in, wrapped it around, and put a rubber band around it. And next, I went ahead and got my 2 bundles. You can add more, but it would be really heavy and thick. And you don't want it to be super heavy and thick. So this hair is from Alipearl. Again, guys, I put a hairpin through the end of the weft, through both wefts. I doubled it, and I kind of just went ahead and stuck it in my bun and just wrapped it around my bun pretty much. Super, super, super easy and simple. I'm telling you guys, what you see now is you can still see the bun, right? Which means if the wind blows, you are going to see the bun. We don't want to see that, okay? That defeats the purpose of it looking like it's ours. Get a rubber band and tie it. Well, put 2 there. Put 1 at the top, as you can see. I slid it down a little bit so that you could hold the hair more so in place, and then I put it on top of the bun. So now it looks like this, right? Looks a little crazy, but there's a method to my madness. What I did next was I did the whole pin inside the weft thing and just wrapped the other bundle around. This is a 28-inch bundle that I wrapped around on the outer parts of the ponytail. So this is how your ponytail should look. Take a small piece from the back and just wrap it around. Brush it out first, of course. And I used a little bit of hair spritz from Tresemme that I always use. You guys know I love it. It smells amazing and it's not so stiff, but it's stiff enough. And I used this to make it look super neat as I was wrapping it around the ponytail. So it gave it a whole entire look. Ariana Grande, who? And then use a small pin to just secure the little end piece that you have left. And look, you can wear it this way if you would like. But I wanted to go ahead and add some gold string around it just for that nice look that everyone's doing nowadays. And I think it's really cute. Super, super, super cute. So cut the excess and just literally just wrap it around in any kind of direction or any kind of motion. And honestly, it'll come out good either way. So this is what I have so far. I just cut the little piece of gold that was sticking out, and I went ahead and I flat ironed the hair. I love how silky this hair is, and the texture matches very well with mine, and it's just so light and airy, guys. Super, super, super in love. So for the last step, I went ahead and I just kind of like scooped out the little sides and made it cuter. And that was it pretty much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys loved it. If you want more tutorials like this where I am using my real hair with weave and kind of making it come together, let me know, guys. More leave out or whatever, and I will do it. Bye, guys.